I swear to God, bro.
It's just us, girl. Let me know what's up, girl. What's up, girl? 'Cause I'm gonna hold it down. Beat it up.
Hey YouTube, I am back with another video. I look a mess because I just woke up. Okay, I'm still over here on the couch sleep. And what I'm finna do, I got this paper right. I'm finna wake up, we're finna go get some food. So I'm gonna put, should I put beep at me or honk at this car, or I don't know what to put. I'll put honk at this car. Just like that. And I will see y'all in a minute. I gotta pee. And then I gotta take this on the car. And we finna prank him. So somebody better honk at him too. Okay, y'all. I'm finna come here right there. I told him I'm starting to vlog. So this is, says honk at this car. I hope people honk for real, because I don't want to just, my prank gonna be fail. Like, it's gonna be fail. So I'm gonna go get something to eat. Cam finally decided to come to the car.
You waking me up for nothing.
Well, if Kiara home, Kiara home.
Oh, copyrighted.
You are funny.
It's like that ass hot, bro.
You have all black on.
What does that mean?
Everybody know if you wear black, it's
In the sun?
attract the sun.
In the sun. If there's no sun shining.
Cameron, you know it's summertime though.
Okay. Okay. You vlogging today?
Yes, sir. Ain't the camera on? Yo, I do not feel good. I think Cameron got me sick or something.
I got to see.
You had to. And then tomorrow, y'all, I get my hair done. Then the day after, I'm going to my daddy.
Oh, we gonna feel that.
I see my daddy maybe twice a year now.
That's not funny. Why is somebody just honking at me?
Maybe you should learn how to drive.
I'm going to speed limit.
Maybe he should learn how to drive because just shut up and drive, okay?
I am driving.
I knew I should have drove.
Can't drive. What's so funny?
You funny. What an ugly tail.
Bro, I swear to God, bro. I'm about to
What
get
are you doing wrong?
I'm about to get his car and I said, okay, you keep playing with me.
You back his people. He back his people was honking at him because he don't know how to drive. And this sun is like, can't see my face.
See black.
Far from it, honey.
at you like I was crazy, huh?
Yeah. I'd be going too slow for it.
Bro! Bro, I swear to God, bro. You could be beeping on my damn car for it.
This is funny, for real.
What is funny?
Because you don't know how to drive. I am so hungry. I'm starving. I'm ready to eat.
Yes. You ain't starving.
I am.
You're not.
That's why I'm leaving you in a couple days.
Leave.
I need your headphones too. Okay. I had to return my library books.
Return them.
I do. I had to return them on the 8th.
Hold up, 93.7.
It's not funny.
We going in?
You want to go in? I don't think you should.
Yeah.
So you're not going to just give it in?
I'm ready to eat now.
You can eat it now. It's just...
Okay, we're at Mickey D's ordering our food now. This lady don't know how to take orders.
Don't care what you say, love me. I do want my damn just love me.
So I was pranking you.
She don't want to cook, bro. Don't put no shit. Go get that.
Yo, he's so bad. Yo, I just want to end this prank vlog. And yeah. We'll talk to y'all later. Say bye. Tell them.
Peace.
Good, yeah. Thank God for a real one. My shawty 1 in a million. We gon' stack that money to the city.